after that beautiful song that took us into our hearts, let us just let our hearts open even more. If you relax your body, you may wish to close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Relax. Relaxing the body, allowing the mind to become quiet. And if it's not quiet, just notice the silence between the thoughts. Feel the stillness. Feel the space. And in that space is God's opportunity to enter like a light that shines through a window when the curtains are pulled apart. As we open our hearts, our minds, the light of the divine is always there. Whatever challenge, whatever pain, whatever difficulties may be with you, I invite you to just let the light shine upon them. Let that light allow you to see in a much bigger way, much deeper way, much more clearly. To open to new ways of being, new ways of living. With God, all things are possible. So we open to that infinite possibility of that divine light within us and around us. So we rest in that awareness, in the stillness, in the silence. We rest in the silence. as we bring our attention back to the world of sights and sounds, we don't leave that light. We don't leave the silence even. It's with us, just beneath the surface of our everyday mind. Always there, always present, just as the sun is present, even though it may be a cloudy day. We know that God is always there, no matter what our experience as human beings. For this awareness, we give thanks. We give thanks. And amen. And amen.